12 forecast.
Oh, it was certainly very cold this morning, although we did not quite break a record. Here are the numbers, and you will notice we got down to 18 degrees. The record will stand 16 degrees from 1905. I remember that morning very, very well. All right, three key things. A little milder today, milder on Friday, and then chilly again on Saturday. So essentially what we have is a temperature roller coaster, although it's probably not as fun as an actual roller coaster. Let's show you those temperatures right now. We're in the mid-30s in Providence, 35 in Smithfield, 43 Newport, 39 Westerly, 43 on Block Island. So these numbers in the 40s are a sign of things to come. We have some milder breezes starting to develop. That will push in some of this mild air, and most of us should make into the low 40s by the afternoon. And you can see those breezes getting going a little bit in Newport at 12 miles an hour, 6 in Westerly, 13 on Block Island. I think on average will be around 5 to 10 for wind speeds for inland spots today. How about these low clouds showing up here in Newport? An overcast afternoon here developing. Same thing in Providence with the mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures at least a little milder than what we have this morning. We actually have a warm front way up to our northwest. This will essentially stay to our north, but may drag in a little bit of precipitation with it. You can actually see some snow showers breaking out across portions of the northeast. By the time that precipitation arrives here, it will likely be in the form of some light rain and drizzle, but I don't see everybody getting in on that today. In fact, we can walk you through that part of the forecast. This is around 3 o'clock this afternoon. Not too much going on, maybe a few light raindrops as you're working your way home during the evening commute. Perhaps you'll need those wipers every once in a while as that drizzle passes on through. This is around 11 p.m. tonight, where some scattered showers and drizzle is still possible. And then overnight into Friday morning, you can see we bring in the sunshine, and that will set up a mild Friday. Before we talk about that, we will break down the high temperatures for today. Upper 30s to around 40 degrees for Providence, 42 Newport, 44 in Westerly. And then this evening, it'll be cool, chilly, not quite as cold as the past several nights, as we'll have that chance of a little bit of drizzle and mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures will be falling through the low to mid-30s, and then overnight lows between the upper 20s and mid-30s. All right, I talked about that temperature roller coaster. Here's how it's going to work the next couple days. This is tomorrow afternoon at around 1 p.m. We have a front up here to the northwest. Now, sometimes the best position to be in is ahead of the cold front. That's where some of the mild air can be had, and that's what will happen tomorrow. Upper 40s to around 50, some low 50s not out of the question. But then watch what happens as we go through late Friday night into Saturday morning. Cold front pushes through, and now we end up on the colder side of the cold front for Saturday morning. It probably won't be quite as cold as what we had this morning, but certainly a return to some of those chilly temperatures. So in the 7-day forecast, you'll notice we go up to 52 on Friday. Only a high temperature of 38 on Saturday, and on Saturday morning with actual temperatures in the mid to upper 20s, we could still have some wind chills there in the mid-teens. It'll be a breezy morning. And then Sunday, we get up to around 42 degrees, increase in clouds with temperatures in the low 40s, so a little bit milder on Sunday. Not a terrible day to be outdoors. And then for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, there are actually a couple of potential offshore storms that we're watching. Could bring some rain or wind. We'll keep you posted on that situation. Way too soon to go into many of the details on that, but certainly something that will be on our radar as we head into the weekend.
All right, Pete, thank you so much. And now we want to let you know we're working on for stories live at 5 tonight. Patriots gearing up.